In this video we're going to make some summons and I'm very excited since I don't have a lot of heroes. We have 27 summons, so let's go baby, let's start with the first 5 summons. I will just go directly with the 5 summons, I mean, to not lose any time. Oh, let's see. Okay, I think we have one rare. Yeah, this rat. Let me just check it for a second. I mean, the common one, yeah, but maybe I'll check it later. So we get one rare and all the commons. I'm looking for an epic one, so let's jump to our second summon. Oh, we have 2 rares. But why I can actually check these rares? Okay, maybe after the summons I'm going to check it. Yeah, 2 rares. I think I have this one already. But anyway, let's go for the next 5 summons, baby. Boom! And let's see what the game have for us. Still no epic one. Just rares. Oh my god. I think we already have this one. But anyway, this one I don't like that much, but let's go for the next 5 summons. Oh boy, here we go. I think I'm going to get epic right now. Again, just one rare. Why so hard to actually get something different from rares? And I have this tutorial guide 2 times. This one looks strange, maybe I'll check her. And we get this one, which is also rare, but anyway, let's go for the next 5 summons. Boom! And still just one rare. None here. Yeah, this one. Okay. So again, just common and one rare. So let's go one by one since we don't have much more summons. Let's go with this one. Boom! And it's a rare. I mean, if I go one by one, I think I'll get better luck from just going a 5 in same time. Okay, I'll check her later. Let's summon again. Boom! I will be shocked if it's rare again. Seriously. Oh, it's a common. Yeah. Anyway, we also... Yeah, so far this is for summonings. Let's actually check out the heroes we just get right now. And this is... oh, this is not a new one. This is my previous summon. This is the first rare. This Zadie has 100% chance to inflict attack penalty. Reduce the attack by 25%. Okay, this maybe for the boss fights, I think will be good one. Deals 330% attack fire damage to the enemy within the range, with a 50% chance to inflict accuracy penalty. 50% reduce the accuracy by 50%, brother. This is a good hero, by the way. Jump at the enemy, dealing 830% attack fire damage with 75% chance of dispelling one buff from them. If the target has no buff, reduce their ultimate energy by 25%. This is very good PvP for against other heroes. Okay, very nice. This is very good ultimate. 830%. Now his attack is not so big. I mean, it's relatively good, but still. Okay, this is one of the guys. The other one, Bojek. Okay, Bojek. When an enemy infected with the frost dies, the hero gains 40% attack up for 10 seconds. Now this little in the late game, I mean, when you start fighting with the enemies, till one of them actually die, or the rest of the enemies is also on really low HP, so I have mixed feelings about this, but still 40% attack up is very nice. Especially he have 120 attack. What this deals 380 attack cold damage to the enemy. Okay, what is the ultimate? Deals 680 attack cold damage to the enemy within the range with a 100% chance to inflict frost for 10 seconds. And here, when the enemy is infected with frost, dies the... Okay, after the ultimate, you have to kill it to actually get this thing. I'm not so sure this is very good hero in general. Okay, this epic one, I guess, from my previous summoning. What else we get from there? We get this one also, which is every third basic attacks deals extra 50% attack lightning damage. Okay, deals 300 attack lightning damage to the enemy. This skill considered a basic attack. Okay. Throws 3 javelins, each dealing 280% attack lightning damage to the target. Okay. What else did we get? Do I miss somebody? I think we get this one. No. Who else do we get? No. I didn't check the rest of my new heroes. Oh, this one, yeah, we get this one. Dench. Okay. Every 3 basic attacks additionally deals 240% attack deliverable poison damage to the enemy within 100% chance to inflict 1 stack of poison. Now there's many heroes that benefit from the poison debuff, so definitely this is a good thing. Price of fires an orb dealing 240% poison damage to the enemy within the range with a 50% chance to inflict 1 stack of poison. Okay, this look good. Again, poison and enemies. This is basically a area of damage attack. That's nice. Sprays poisonous mist to the area for 4 seconds, dealing 8% attack, 400 enlightenment poison damage to the enemy within the range for every 0.8 seconds, within an 8% chance to inflict 1 stack of poison. This is very good. I mean, if you have this hero, it is something like guarantee that you're going to have a lot of poison on the enemies. And heroes like one of my favorites, for example, this one, Notera, actually is doing just 20% attack bonus against the enemy under poison. This is great synergy. If you have hero that is infecting with poison like this one, I think is very nice. And yeah, I guess this will be for this short video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit 1 like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.